So we are here at Sparta Cemetery, where there is a famous tale of a vagabond called the Leatherman, and he roamed up and down, pretty much from the northern part of Connecticut all the way to the Westchester area. And he was supposedly buried here, but upon exhuming the grave, they never found his body. They never knew his identity, and he would just travel up and down throughout the winter months. He wore leather on his entire body that he made, and his skin was so cold and dry from the winter months that they called him the Leatherman, between the leather and his skin. Now over there is the building that was blown up by a cannonball, I believe from the British, if I remember correctly. In that building, when I came here to do an investigation, all the film came out with red mists around that, but everything else wasn't. There's also a couple of graves here, which was a form of pareidolia. I took photos, and you could see like little faces on the tombstones, but it's just really how the tombstones were dried out from weathering and everything like that. So that's the old that was blown up, that building right here, and I believe the Leatherman grave is that stone over there. And I came here, and this is my third time, and I've never found it. And definitely needs a cut of grass here. There it is. The Leatherman. So, took me a couple of times, but finally got to see it. £60 of leather. That's what he wore. Known for no reason. Leatherman for no known person. 365 miles. Loop every 34 days. He lived out of caves, going to town for occasional drink, food, I guess. It's an episode I did about him, probably around season 2, and the podcast was still fresh. You can go check it out. We've investigated when I had my ghost crew. He came here twice. One time during the winter with no snow, and another time that there was snow on the floor, and we were rummaging through here trying to find this, and it wasn't here. So, crazy stuff.